Hi lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing a deep conditioner treatment to relax our hair and help us to regain that dry and damaged hair. This is a homemade natural relaxer. For those of you that have natural hair and you are looking for a way to relax your hair in a natural way, I will advise you to watch this video to the ending so that you will understand all what I did in this video. Okay, and if today is your first time watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and touch that notification button so that you'll be the first person to be notified whenever I upload the year on my YouTube channel. Okay, so guys, let's get right into this tutorial. So guys, before I apply the treatment on my hair, I will first of all detangle my hair with water. I will wet my hair with water very well. Then I will lose my hair. It is very important for you to wet your hair first before losing it, okay? So it's time for me to apply the treatment on my hair. Always apply it on your scalp very well, and please massage it very well. As for me, I treat my hair every week. I lose my hair and I wash my hair every week. Okay, so this treatment is very good for dry and damaged hair. I will advise you to use this treatment once in a week. Please don't use it 2 times in a week. All right, once in a week is okay to treat your hair. Okay, so when I'm done doing this, I will wrap my hair, and after wrapping my hair, I will leave my hair for 2 hours. You can leave your hair for 1 hour or 1 hour 30 minutes depending on you, okay? But for me, mine is just 2 hours before I washed everything. While watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So my 2 hours is complete and it's time for me to go and wash my hair. This is it. After 2 hours, this is how my hair look like. So guys, I just finished washing my hair and my hair is so tough. This oil you are seeing me holding on my hand is called carrot oil. If you want to know how I make this carrot oil, scroll down my videos and you are going to see how I make this carrot oil. This carrot oil is very good when you are trying to grow your hair, especially your front hair. Okay, so for those of you that don't have front hair, try to use this carrot oil. It's very good on hair. You guys know that I love shaking my hair like a gamma lizard. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Try this method and you are going to love it. You can see how my hair is very soft and is shining very well. So I give you the go ahead and try this method. You are just going to love the outcome of it. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate. Okay, have a nice day guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye.